Smriti Mandhana is dating this guy and we all are in awe and shock at the same time. Royal Challengers Bengaluru captain Smriti Mandhana is allegedly dating a guy and the fans are going gaga over this news. Smriti Mandhana, who is an Indian cricketer and who plays for Royal Challengers Bengaluru team, is dating a music composer from the Bollywood industry. Yes, you heard it correct. She is dating Palash Muchal, who is the music composer in the Bollywood industry. Although neither has confirmed the relationship, they have been spotted together on various occasions celebrating Mandhana's achievements and enjoying quality time together. Palash posed with Smriti in 2023 as well when the Indian Eves won the Asian Games gold in China. Palash Muchal is the brother of famous singer Palak Muchal, who recently got married to singer and composer Mithun. Both Smriti and Palash have been allegedly dating from 2022 and have posted stories and photos from the various vacations they've been on. Even the fans of Smriti have made a new hashtag for the alleged couple named #Palriti. Smriti Mandhana, the queens of millions of heart and the national crush of India, was reportedly spending quality time with his rumored boyfriend Palash Muchal in London, England. Speculations of Mandhana and Palash dating became rife after they shared pictures from the same spot at the Oval in London, which was hosting the fifth and final test between England and Australia. Palash is a film director, writer, music composer, singer and songwriter who has also acted with Abhishek Bachchan and Deepika Padukone in Bollywood film Khele Hum Ji Jaan Se. Palash and Smriti have shared pictures with each other in the past as well. Happy birthday to the pure soul. Have a great year ahead. Mandhana had captioned two of her pictures with Palash on his birthday on May 22. Palash also took his Instagram handle to wish Mandhana on her 27th birthday. She replied to the post with heart emoji. The picture shared by Mandhana and the 28-year-old shows a lot of closeness between the two. A fan in the comment section claimed that they have been dating each other for 4 years now. Smriti Mandhana, a prominent figure in women's cricket, has achieved significant success in her career, captivating fans with her exceptional talent and remarkable performances. Palash Muchal, known for his contribution to the music industry, boasts a significant following on social media and has garnered attention for his work in Bollywood. Despite the speculation surrounding their relationship, Mandhana and Palash have not confirmed publicly on this matter. Palash is very supportive as a partner and have always supported women's cricket and Mandhana in her journey. In lows and highs, they both have always been together and have supported each other no matter what. But both of them have not accepted their relationship yet in public, but the photos they share on their social media is enough proof for us to speculate that they are in a happy relationship.